Today I'm going to teach you how to make our GIMP window a bit colorful. So without taking much time, we'll learn how to change the background color theme of GIMP. First, you should click and open your Edit tab. Then we'll click the Preference command. Now you should find the Interface category. So from here, we are going to click the theme. As you can see, they are suggesting you 4 main themes. Already we are in the dark theme. If you need a more brighter color, you can select the system theme. Then the background will become white and more brighter. Not only these two, you can even try these gray and light themes too. As you can see on my screen, all the icons are hidden. So now I'm going to teach you how to add a color and make it more bright. Okay, so you have to follow the same steps. So we'll go to the Edit tab and then again we should go to the Preferences command. Now you need to select the Icon Theme option. Okay, so as we need a colorful theme, we can use color or the legacy option. I'm going to use the color theme. Now I'm going to make my icons a bit larger. Alright, so we'll click on this drop down menu. And now you have to select Custom Icon Size. Right, now we need to drag this slide properly like this. And here see, my icons became a bit larger. Right, so if you want more large icons, you can select the huge theme, but I am going to keep large icons. Okay, so likewise, we'll try the others too. So if you have finalized everything, you can simply click OK. Okay, so here see the difference between my previous window as well as the current window. So by using these steps, you also can make your GIMP window more attractive and brighter. So stay tuned with our next GIMP video. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.